Sanibona Mafethu, it's Sims. I'm here at Chamasa Studios. I wanted to let you in on how we're building the studio behind us. Why are we building the studio? First of all, we have a studio in Maboneng. It's quite small for commercial shoots, but very great for editorial shoots and smaller teams. We wanted something that is bigger, that is greater, that will allow more creativity, and also rent out to commercial photographers, videographers, and bigger teams. We had a lot of challenges, so this is actually the second time that we attempting to build this studio. First challenge we had a contractor that seemed to know what he was doing. I saw him build another studio, but only to find that the materials that were used at that studio were different. Sometimes people don't want to admit that they don't know something, so we kept trying to fix problems over and over again and ended up spending 3 to 4 months trying to figure it out until I was like, dude, let's just call it a day. So we had to break down everything and start again. We're here now. We're almost done. I'm happy with what I've seen so far, and I think we are going to achieve what we want. I wanted the studio to be the best. People on social media were just saying that I'm a bit pedantic. I should accept because I had shared the final product that the previous contractor had given us, and I was just not happy with it. I know that what I want is something that is available out there. I've seen it in many studios, so I don't want to build a studio that someone will come here and be like, yeah, the studio is good, but I just want people to see it and be like, it's amazing. Flooring, we couldn't really do much about it. We decided to put plywood underneath and then put a screed over it. And then with the curve, we also found different Masonite boards. It has a rough edge and a smooth edge. So we used the rough edge in order to bend it down, to put granulite over it. From there, the curves were curving. I think I'm happy now. We're at the final stage before we paint. The purpose of an infinity curve or a cyclorama is so that when you take pictures, you can't see where the backdrop ends. The first struggle we have in our small studio is that the biggest backdrop you can get, I think, is about 3.5 or 3 meters. If someone maybe is out of frame, you have to Photoshop that. Literally got tired of that. Another thing is just so that you don't see that line at the end. You just get a sort of infinity. So it's almost like someone is in a never-ending backdrop. If you've seen that Beyonce video, Single Ladies, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, please switch on the lights. Guys, we live in South Africa. So we had to turn on the generator because load shedding is a thing. If you don't know, if you're in another country, we take turns to use electricity here. How much did this cost us? To be honest, I stopped counting when it got to 100,000. I was just like, it is what it is. And at times we had to stop, get more jobs, shoot, then come back because it's self-funded. I think we're now 90% there. Now I understand why a lot of people don't have studios. It's expensive, guys. Just one board is anything between 800 to 1,000. Plus there's a screed, there's ranolite, there's screws. Yo, guys, I know so much about building now, and I shouldn't be doing that because our first guy took us for a ride, so we lost all that money. I would say if you really want to do it, save up quite a bit, and then also save up some more if there's any mistakes. It is a hard thing to do. I thought you just make a curve. It's not that simple. This now has taken us about 5 months. If you want to come try it out and you're a photographer or videographer, just holler at me on social media. My handle is @SimsMkhwanazi, or you can hit me up on Chamasa Studios. Come shoot at our space, come test drive it. I would love to get any feedback. We're trying to make the studio as user friendly for everybody. From me, Sims, thank you, peace.